So a friend of mine was recently car shopping. He kept asking, why are all of these certain cars cheaper than the other ones? And what is a salvage title? So a salvage or rebuilt title car is one that's been totaled in an accident and somebody has rebuilt it and sold it again. Not a good idea to buy one. Don't buy one. The inspection process for having a car rebuilt is ridiculously pointless. It's nothing. So if you buy one of these, a totaled car at an auction or something like that, there's a lot of car dealers that do this, and it's totaled. And then they have an inspector come out and look at it real quick when it's all together. You can't really see the damage. You just see, oh, it's wrecked. Okay, and then somebody fixes it. Well, there's a reason it's in the salvage yard because it can't be fixed, but they'll fix it, and then they have another inspector come back out and be like, oh, yep, it's all fixed, good to go. And then they put somebody in that car, and most of the time they're way unsafe and should not be on the road at all. Do not recommend salvage title, rebuilt title cars at all. So being auto body repair expert, this is what we do all day long, and we know firsthand that you can't see the damage on a car until you take it apart. That's the huge, is nothing looks like it's bad until you take it apart, and then you see what's really going on. Plus we know how everything reacts, like the littlest thing can affect airbag timing or seat belts working correctly. There's so many things that go into keeping somebody safe. That's the name of the game, is you know, a car is supposed to keep you safe if you get in an accident. So I got a couple examples here. So one that was hit by what looks like a tractor trailer or something. It shows where the people sit is still safe, but everything behind that is completely flat. That's how the car's supposed to react. It's supposed to absorb all the energy and keep the people safe. And we'll show you another one that was done by a rebuilder that if this car ever gets in another accident, it's not gonna be pretty. Don't buy salvage cars.
What about the insurance?
Great question. Most of the companies won't even insure a salvage or rebuilt titled car. You're gonna have a hard time getting full coverage on it for sure. And even if you do, and something does happen, you get in another accident, they're not gonna pay you any money for it. It's not gonna be worth much. And as usual, if you ever got any questions about any of this stuff, swing by or give us a call at Johnson Auto Body.